For up to 1,000 posts on Instagram, I was a team of one. I had all the ideas, but I just didn't have the time. I didn't have the resources myself. Even with this video, I finally got an editor, but it's just me and Isaiah. We're the whole media team. But even if you're a team of one, or you have one other person, besides your creativity, besides your thoughts, besides your vision, we now have AI to help us stay consistent. So I've tested 100 AI tools on this channel, and there's only a few that I really feel confident that can help us create content. Because I've seen a lot of AI tools create content, and let's be honest, they're not the greatest. So let's eliminate excuses real quick. Whether you already have content or you're starting from scratch and you don't know where to go, I did a talk in Atlanta that I want to take you inside of that's going to tell you all the AI tools that is going to help you create content for 30 days. Let's go. Let me give you my secret weapon. Y'all ready? This one right here is going to give you about a whole month's worth of content. So it will take your videos that you have on your hard drive, your YouTube videos, your Zoom calls, your Google Meets, and you put it in here and it'll create over 20 video clips, whether it is vertical, whether it is square for my carousel people, whether it is horizontal for my YouTube people, all from about like 15 seconds to all the way up to about like 10 minutes. Fiverr people are about to be mad at me, I'm sorry. Some of those cheap editors you use are about to be mad at me, I'm sorry. Because some of y'all like, going to him like, yo, can you edit my video for about like $10? He gonna use this, I promise you. You might as well just get Opus clip, okay? Now, not only do they do that, this is why I said it's my favorite AI tool. It does AI B-roll, so I'm not only just looking at your face the whole time. Now it got pictures, motion pictures happening. Right? It got captions. So for all those people that see those Alex Hormozy captions and all that great stuff, it does that automatically for you. It does auto scheduling. So you create it creates it for you, you schedule it out, you go about your life because we busy, right? Who's going to use Opus Clip? Who already uses Opus Clip? Oh, y'all follow me, that's why. Y'all follow me. Y'all cheated. That's fine. All right, so for those people who have content, was that helpful? You sure? Okay. Now, who are the ones, let's be honest, who's the ones that don't have content or who don't like their content? Shout out to my introverts. My introverts are like this. I hope you see me through these lights. I see y'all, don't worry about it. Once again, if you don't, we still gonna be on ChatGPT. All right, so let's do a quick situation. Hold on, it's my ChatGPT real quick. Hey ChatGPT, so I need you to be a content strategist for me today, right? So likely I am a content strategist as well. My audience are mainly introverts between 21 to about 55, right? And they are camera shy, but I need you to create 10 content ideas for me that deals with their pain points. Can you do that for me?
Absolutely, Nikki. Here are 10 content ideas to address the pain points of camera-shy introverts aged 21 to 55. 1, from shy to confident, how to ease into on-camera presence. Tips and exercises to gradually get comfortable with being on camera. 2, leveraging AI for content creation, a guide for introverts. How to use AI tools to create content without being in front of the camera.
Y'all not gonna be able to see it. I don't know if they can zoom it. And that's all also written for you, so you can keep it. Okay? I'm talking to it. All you gotta do with AI is talk to it. Don't tell it what to do. Just be like, yo, this is what I need. This is who I am. Here is my audience. This is like, stop doing the create a video script. Give me this. Give me that. No. Yo, you saw I knew my name. I talk to it so much. My conversations with ChatGPT is about 15 to 20 minutes long. Easy. I ask it how it is, how you feeling, all this great stuff. Right?
I need it to be my friend. I need things from it. I need it to be my friend, right? So, once again, same thing. Yo, act as a content strategist. Here's my brand. Here's my audience. Here's my tone. Take your screenshot. Go ahead. Okay? Y'all not leaving here without ideas, okay? So some of y'all are going to be like, create a video script. That's cool. But there has been books that has been made by certain frameworks that we can use in our content, okay? So the story brand framework, the AIDA framework, the PAS framework, the 3 action structure framework. If I was to say, hey, you already gave me a content idea, now use this framework because it's going to give you a hook, it's going to give you a body, it's going to give you a call to action.
Oh my God.
Whose man is that? You know what I mean? So, it's, once again, the more information we give it, the better our output is going to be. Now, let's just say you forget this. Let's say you didn't take a screenshot. I'm cool with that. Just remember, hey, I want to write a video script. What are some of the best frameworks I can use for my content? What are some popular ones? If you don't know the answer, ask it. Yo, what is this? What is that? Also, this is why my conversations are about like 15 to 20 minutes long. Ask me questions back because I don't know what you need from me. So, hey, I need these ideas. I need these video scripts. I need all this stuff. What more do you need from me to get the output? Everybody say out loud, questions. Make you ask questions, okay? It doesn't know you. It's just going based off stuff from random people. You gotta train AI, okay? Let me get into another, can I give you another secret tool? Yes. Okay, who has iPhones? Android people, I'm sorry today. I got $5 for you to get an iPhone. I got 5 on it, that's it, I'm sorry, okay? Captions AI. No, somebody clap. Okay, y'all know that app. All right? Let me tell you about this app, though. So, of course, it's only iOS. I'm sorry. Like I said, Android people, I'm sorry. I'll get to one that you can use. So this one can not only give you the captions, the trending captions on your videos. That's cool. Let's say I have my camera, right? And I'm looking down. With AI, it's going to allow me to look up. So I'm reading something, but my eye contact is this way. Okay? So I know some of y'all don't like looking into the camera. Don't worry, this app got you, okay? Second thing, it has a teleprompter. So you don't even have to read down. You could look right into it, write your whole script into it. If you don't have a script, it has AI to write you a video script as well. Okay? I'm giving you everything, I promise you. For those people, remember, what did we say? I'm a global brand, right? We said that earlier, right? This thing will translate your content into multiple languages. So I'm Black and Puerto Rican, right? Come on, Puerto Rican Day Parade is tomorrow, if y'all know, right? I can't speak a lick of Spanish. I blame my mother. I will blame her. I'm sorry. I love you, Mom, but I'm going to blame you on that one, right? Now, this one has me looking like I speak Spanish all day, though. Okay? I got English, and then the next one I got Spanish, and I'm like,
No way.
swear. Okay? Also, you upload your video. Let's say the video is about 3, 5, 10 minutes long. It also creates clips for you. Okay? So now you have multiple pieces of content in it, okay? So translations, captions, and it actually has a new one, brand new one. Who has products? Who has products, whether on Shopify or Amazon, whatever it is? I see it's like 4 of y'all, okay? And now y'all raising, no, me too. So if you put the link into there, It will create an AI influencer that will sell your product for you. I told you I'm gonna give y'all something today. I'm gonna give y'all something today. Don't say I never gave y'all nothing, okay? Don't say I never gave y'all nothing. So, with all of this, everything that I already said, you probably already have over 30 days of content, fair? Right? And y'all still just posting one video. This is why I say AI is super important, and it's like, you could tell those people who are using it and who aren't. Because the conversation of, Nikki, I don't have time, I'm not consistent, that's gone now. That's gone. The only thing that's really holding you back is you at that moment, is your overthinking. Because like we said, we saw earlier before those pieces of content that were kind of mid, right? And you have better quality content and you didn't post that. Now I'm about to give you over 30 days worth of content and some of y'all still may not post that. So if you're about to post some of this content, just raise your hand. Oh, some of y'all didn't raise. I promise y'all. Let's try that again. If y'all gonna post some of this content, raise your hand. All right now.
So in the comments, let me know how you're feeling, okay? Does this give you a little bit of sense of relief that there's some tools and some resources to stay consistent? Are you feeling overwhelmed? That's a lot. Let me know in the comments. I go further into this, especially how to create content for 30 days in my 2-day workshop in the AI toolkit, which that's below. But let me know which tools and resources are you going to be using. Put that in the comments. And of course, check out this next video.